Never run back to what broke you. Don't ever play with someone's feelings. You could win the game, but you could lose that person forever. Once I catch you in one lie, it makes me question everything you said. When you're happy you enjoy the music, but when you're sad you understand the lyrics. Don't feel sad over someone who gave up on you. Feel sorry for them because they gave up on someone who would have never given up on them. Don't confuse my personality with my attitude. My personality is who I am, and my attitude depends on who you are. If someone breaks your heart, just punch them in the face. Seriously, punch them in the face and go get some ice cream. We met for a reason, either you're a blessing or a lesson. Smile, it's easier than explaining why you're sad. Work hard in silence, let success be your noise. You just do what you can and you have as much fun as possible. Distance sometimes lets you know who's worth keeping and who's worth letting go. I believe that marriage isn't between a man and woman, but between love and love. Just remember, someone loves everything you hate about yourself. There's just some magic in truth and honesty and openness. Go for someone who is proud to have you. The worst part of being lied to is when you realize you believed it. Those who are heartless once cared too much. I don't know if I ever told you this before, but you're the only one I ever waited for this long. You can't think, you just have to do things. People are just afraid of things too much. Afraid of things that don't necessarily merit fear. As long as your intentions are solid and about growth and progression and being productive and not being idle, then you're doing good in my book. Boys do cry, but I don't think I shed a tear for a good chunk of my teenage years. The idea of recognizing your strengths and using them in as versatile a way as you can is cool to me.